Yes, good morning guys. This is the train tram going to Newcastle Beach. I'm in the train station waiting for my schedule. Going to my schedule. See? See ya, good. There's a train tram in Newcastle. Thank you. Good morning everyone.